Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of web hosting, a crucial step in launching your very own website. Whether you're a hobbyist or a business owner, understanding web hosting is key to bringing your site to life. Web hosting is essentially renting space on a server to store your website's files and make them accessible on the internet. Let's explore the different types of web hosting services you can choose from. First up, we have shared hosting. This is the most affordable option. Here, your website shares server resources like CPU, memory, and bandwidth with other websites. It's perfect for small sites with low traffic or for those just starting out. However, shared hosting can slow down if other sites on the server experience high traffic. It's a cost-effective solution for personal blogs or small business sites. Next, we have virtual private servers, or VPS. Unlike shared hosting, a VPS provides dedicated resources within a shared environment. Your site runs on its own virtual machine with guaranteed CPU, memory, and bandwidth. This means better performance and reliability, making VPS ideal for growing websites that need more stability and customization. Moving up the ladder, we have dedicated hosting. With this option, you get an entire physical server dedicated solely to your website. This ensures maximum performance and control, but at a higher cost. Dedicated hosting is best for large websites with high traffic volumes or specific server requirements. Lastly, there's cloud hosting. This modern solution uses a network of virtual and physical servers to host your site. It's highly scalable, allowing you to adjust resources as needed. If a server fails, another one takes over, ensuring your site stays online. Cloud hosting is pay-as-you-go, making it a flexible option for sites with variable traffic. So, which hosting option is right for you? It depends on your site's needs and your budget. Shared hosting is great for beginners. VPS offers a balance of cost and performance. Dedicated hosting provides maximum control, and cloud hosting gives you unparalleled scalability. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.